everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And a company by the name of Charteks reached out to me, and they asked me if they could send me some products for me to review on my channel. So I went onto their website to see what kind of things that they had and that sort of thing. And what drew me into their product was that they geared towards introducing paint by number to children. And as you guys know, on my channel, I've talked about that I was introduced to paint by number at a very young age. Back when I was introduced to paint by number, it was oils, and oils was considered to be very messy, and that sort of thing. This company has come a long way since oils, and so they have diamond paintings, and they have paint by number, and then they have some things that they do with lights and some other products also. And I will leave a link and a snapshot of what their website looks like right up here in this awesome space that I have right here to kind of showcase some other things that they have going on their website. And like I said, it's really geared towards kids. So I'll show you what they sent me, because they asked me what I wanted, what kind of products I wanted, whether I wanted diamond painting or paint by number. Of course, I went more towards the paint by number. So the paint by number that they sent me, on the box that they sent me, and I will have a screenshot of it also up here. They said on the box it says it's ages 6 and older, that sort of thing. So I'll show you the box here. It looks like this. And on the box it says it's for animal babies, which is absolutely adorable. It looks like a cheddar on here, although cheddar doesn't have white on him. So it's kitties and doggies, and looks like a guinea pig on here. So it's absolutely adorable. So very, very cute. So, and it came in a very nice box. It was a box within a box, that sort of thing. So I went ahead and already opened it. So inside here, they have some instructions in here, and they're not, like I said, they're not paints. They're markers. So they sent, I'll show you, grab one of the markers here. 16 markers, which I thought was really kind of cool. So they're just markers, that sort of thing. And the idea of the paint by number is, once you're done with the paint by number, you hit it with the blow dryer, and the numbers and the lines disappear. So your art looks really good. So your kid's art looks fantastic. So here's kind of a picture of what they look like. So the paint by number has a bunny. It has a dog. It has a guinea pig, and then an absolute adorable cat. And like I said, it is paint by number. It's got numbers on the paint by numbers, and I've got a snapshot of my camera filming down here, and I will have a picture of it here also. And they also they had some interesting instructions in here. It said, if the lines were missing, it said, if the pre-printed lines are faint or missing upon arrival, and it's actually kind of cold here. It said, place all packages into a resealable bag and freeze in your home's freezer for 15 minutes. Lines will reappear. The lines when I received it were just fine. For 15 minutes. Lines will reappear. No, temperature-sensitive ink may fade during shipping. So imagine if it's really hot outside and you get it, the lines may be gone, because the heat sensitive, when you hit it with the blow dryer, things will start to disappear. It says number 2 rule, areas with color coded areas, use matching markers. So the matching markers, for example, on here, put my glasses on. Okay, so this marker has, oh, and it's got 2 ends on it too. Oh, it's got a thick end and a more tapered end. So that's nice too. So that's cool. And the colors are on the end. So it's an A0. So you look on here for A0, and then that's what you color your animal in with. So the colors are on the end of the markers. And then other areas you leave blank. It says number 3, after coloring with adult supervision, hit it with the blow dryer. And then it says move slowly across the entire page. Watch sketched areas vanish. So that's really cool. And then they also had, which I thought was really kind of cool, they have a website that you can go to, and I'll put the website up here, where you can upload your images and print and play using the 4 sheets. They sent blank sheets here. So we may have to try that. I do have a printer here. And then create, they've also have an 80 color marker set. I know, I'm very tempted. It says get your markers on, you can buy this stuff on Amazon also, and search, and it's got another the search thing, and I'll put that information here, and then their website. So I will have some information here. And so I think what I'm going to do, I think I'll do this, and we'll do some painting. I'll do some painting here, probably in another show. And I will record me painting like I normally do with my paint by numbers. And then we'll hit it with a blow dryer and watch things disappear. I think that'd be pretty cool. So I wanted to show you, while I've got the cameras going here, what some of these look like. There's the bunny, there's the dog, and the cat, which is absolutely adorable. I'll probably have to do the cat, you guys know me. And then the guinea pig. And they're just adorable. And then they've got some extra sheets. So that is really cute. I'm anxious to see what their website looks like to create, because I'm always very interested in creating paint by numbers and that sort of thing on websites. So I'm anxious to see what that looks like. And this cool paper with the markers. So there's that. And like I said, they sent 16 markers. So I've got quite a few markers here. Let me show you the arrays of colors here that I got. So I've got a lot of really pretty colors. So you've got some reds, some pinks, some yellows and beigey colors, and then you've got your blacks and your browns, your grays and blues, kind of dark grays and blues. So yeah. So yeah, so here shortly I will do some painting with the markers, and once I'm done, I may take a couple shows of me painting this, and so it will take a little bit, and then we'll hit it with the blow dryer and watch the lines disappear. So that should be fun. Alright, so there you have it. So like I said, I will leave some link and information here in regards to how to order any of this information. Again, it's a kind of a digichrome, and it's got the kitties and puppies and that sort of thing. So yeah, this is not for kids for under 3, but definitely your 6-year-olds and older would definitely love this. My grandkids would go crazy over this stuff. So yeah, so there you have it. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to trying this out. All right, so I'm going to get off here and do some other things. And what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.